Do you have a number of users that you need to invite to Kestra, but you haven't got the process in place for sending them their username and password? Well, now you can use invitations to send it automatically to their email. When you go to your IAM menu, you can press the invite button in the top and you can add someone's email address in. Here's an example of me adding a user using an email address, and when I press invite, this has now been sent to their email address. I can now go to my email and see that I was in fact invited to Kestra. So now I can press the join now button and it's going to now prompt me to log in with Google because we have single sign-on enabled. I can add my first and last name as well as a password too. When I press continue, I will now be presented with Kestra, but I was not given any permissions. So now at the bottom, I can see that my user has successfully accepted their invitation, and I can also go and assign them to groups so that they have permissions. Here I can give them the access of developer, for example, in the company.team namespace. I can actually go to the invitations page here at the bottom and see that I have one of them that's been accepted and one of them that's still pending. So this allows you to be able to see which invitations need resending, which ones you want to delete. So for example, I can delete the one I sent earlier that I've already accepted, but I can also delete the one that's still pending. So if I was to go to the email, it will no longer work. I can also go to my Kestra configuration here, where I can add this block of security, invitations, and expire after to be able to set the time that this invitation will be valid for. I've said here to expire after 30 days. So you've got the option there to be able to set that to a longer or shorter period, depending on what security requirements you have in your organization. Hopefully you're going to use invitations to be able to add users seamlessly to your Kestra instance. Let us know in the comments below how you're going to use invitations in the future.